The first question is, which canal connects the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea? The correct answer is Bering Strait. The next question is, which country lies in both Europe and Asia? The correct answer is Turkey. The next question is, which country has the largest number of active volcanoes? The correct answer is Indonesia. The next question is, which is the coldest continent on the earth? The correct answer is Antarctica. The next question is, which is the largest freshwater lake by area? The correct answer is Lake Superior. The next question is, the Panama Canal connects which two oceans? The correct answer is Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The last question is, which is the largest island in the world? The correct answer is Greenland. Do you know which river is the largest river in the world? If yes, comment in the comment section.